Hi, it's me, Jenny. I am a certified health and nutrition coach, and I want to personally congratulate you on taking the first step in regaining your health. Please make sure to stay on this page. Accidentally closing this page or hitting the back button could affect your order. You're in the right place. At this very moment, your order is being processed, and I'm here to make sure you have everything you need to get started. Because I know how hard it is to find motivation and take that first step. Especially if you've tried other diets before that didn't work for you or the results were only temporary. All my life I've struggled with excess weight and sluggish energy. I've tried every diet and failed at all of them until I discovered the ketogenic diet. The difference is you actually switch your entire body to burn fat for energy rather than carbs. And essentially burning all your stubborn fat into fuel, meaning drastic weight loss while feeling better than ever. For the first time ever, I'm excited looking in the mirror and have enough energy to keep up with my busy 2-year-old twins. It is the fastest, safest, and most effective way to regain control of your weight and health. I want you to feel healthy and joyful too. So today, I want to offer you a one-time exclusive upgrade. Watch this short video explaining how you can become a keto pro without any guesswork. Not to mention you will be thinner, carrying around less fat, and feeling loads of newfound energy. Now's the time for you to decide if you want to claim today's free special bonus. You see, here at Keto Resource, our entire organization is built around maximizing your success. That being said, research provides that the biggest problem that will most certainly limit that success is having to go at it alone. So, as a thank you for picking up your free copy of the Complete Ketogenic Beginner's Guide, you're eligible to receive unique access and a one-time free opportunity worth $79 to our very special No One Gets Left Behind keto environment called Insiders. Be sure to take advantage of this opportunity because the truth is it really can make or break reaching your transformation goals. The help you'll be able to receive alone has been proven time and time again with the do this, not that, personal insider advice that yields much faster results than you can possibly receive trying to figure things out on your own. And Insiders will not only solve this problem for you, it also delivers so much more. You see, Insiders is the keto environment where like-minded people and our coaches are always there to answer your questions and share support for you during every step of your transformation. Frankly, this will be one of the main secrets for your immediate and long-term success. The personalized insider information available will reveal a landslide of advanced skills and ketogenic strategies you simply could never acquire through a traditional program. Now, before you get started, let me tell you a little bit more about what you'll receive, so you can see why we consider it the most important and fulfilling part of your keto journey by far. You see, inside of Insiders, you'll literally receive every informational product we ever create as a special bonus, past, present, and future. Think of it like your own personal ongoing vault of the best ketogenic research, science, and tested products. Not only that, you'll get first crack at them before anyone else, and before they're released to the public for sale. Not only that, but we also pack in other super bonuses like expert podcasts and audio video lessons where you'll discover things like the truth about what ketogenic diets actually do to your body. You'll be shocked at what's going on in ketosis is actually telling your body, and it stretches back all the way to starvation experiments after World War II. Intermittent fasting and keto. Should you do it? Is it harmful, or is the effect like a greased slide and slams your body into a ketogenic state? The one thing you should never do on a ketogenic diet, this is actually deadly. Seriously. The truth about special keto foods, how they are created, and how to know if they are really keto approved. You'll be surprised to see just how easy it is to work around labeling requirements to say something is keto-friendly when the truth is the food will knock you out of ketosis within 30 minutes, and you start to feel horrible, never knowing what's actually going on. How to understand research claims. Most claims are pulled from the abstracts of papers and actually don't even reflect the study they're referencing. This is a huge problem in the industry, as most bloggers and experts have no idea how to tease out if a study is valid or even if the study actually supports the claims the scientists are trying to make. Scientists have to sell themselves to get grant money, and if you don't get results from your studies, no more grants. This is why anyone can seem like an expert just by sharing a few study links, but beware and don't be fooled. Reality of keto supplements and their marketing. Did you know that most keto supplements only contain enough of the active ingredient to legally back a claim? Did you know that this dose is never the dose that the research states is needed to get the result of a claim? In fact, it's estimated that many supplements are off by a factor of 4 when it comes to the actual amount of ingredient needed to get a research-backed result. Not only that, did you know that supplement companies will fund specific research to legally shape a fake claim, even if that fake claim goes against the entire body of research? We'll show you how to know. With insiders, you won't guess, you'll know. Just click the Add to Order button and prepare to be amazed. And once you are completely blown away after your 100% free 30-day trial of Insiders and don't want to live without it, it's only $79 per month for just 8 months. And then it's free for life from that point on. That's right, it's free for life. And of course, if at any point you're not completely impressed, you can cancel anytime with just one click inside your client portal or shoot us an email. And remember, you'll still always be covered by our 100% money-back guarantee, so you'll never risk a single penny of your hard-earned money to get the body of your dreams. So click the Add to Order button below and enjoy your 100% free test drive of Insiders on us today. Even being given the best keto roadmap isn't enough when the road you're traveling will undoubtedly have detours along the way that can take you off your path. Trying to navigate these potential detours like misinformation and lack of support not only detracts from the overall experience and chances of success, it can ruin your effort and drain the positive energy that has brought you this far. Going at it alone all but ensures you'll never experience the smooth success you deserve, and instead, you'll be faced with frustrating bumps in the road that you may not know how to navigate through. And this will ultimately harm your changes for the enjoyable, fulfilling transformation you deserve. And that's not what we want for you, and we know that's not what you desire for yourself. You deserve more. Inside Insiders, we are there for you, as well as many, many other insider clients that you'll soon meet inside, and we all have your back. You'll follow the roadmap paved by hundreds of clients just like yourself who have been where you are right now. Together, there's no obstacle we cannot overcome. The remarkable transformations you'll see inside are not accidents or random. Neither is Insider's unbelievable track record. The proof is definitely in the pudding. Remember, there's absolutely no risk for you to claim your spot and all the amazing keto fat blasting bonuses you'll begin using today to accelerate your results. Just make sure to take advantage of this special opportunity because it's only available today. Claim your free super bonus by clicking the Add to Order button below. We promise you will not be disappointed. We look forward to seeing you on the inside as an insider.